Hi, welcome everyone. Bonjour tout le monde. Merci d'être passé. Welcome to the Bruce's All Research channel. 3 years and a couple of hours, days, I think a couple of days. When we hit August, anyways, it'll be 3 years of research completed, the fourth starting. What are we looking at? We're looking at, well, listen, should I just say bases? They're constructed. I believe so. They're hard to see, right? Hard to distinguish the difference between the surface itself and a simple inversion of a photo. No tampering whatsoever. Beautiful green color helps us show the contouring of the symmetrical object in question that I'm trying to show you. And these are the objects that I'm speaking of. These bases or fortifications are about 1 mile to 2 miles wide. I'm zoomed up. Nobody sees these craters. They're very small. To get in, to see them, you got to get in very close. I am in very close. We're getting close enough. How is that on the eyes? Isn't that relaxing? Always, always, always relaxing color, the green. And again, there's no green added. It's just a simple inversion. And this is the color the moon gives back when filmed with a telescope. Straight up raw truth. There's a fortification, and around each fortification you have a bright rampart or object that seems elevated off the surface that goes all around the objects, thus leaving us to see blinded light on the surface. When a simple exposure adjustment that any simple 5-year-old could do, you could clearly see by dimming down the exposure, seeing the surface less bright and bringing out the details of the structures that are on the surface. These objects are pretty big. The colors that are on the surface, each of the craters are filled with greenery, colors, minerals or not, they are filled with colors. And there's a lot of objects inside the craters. The craters are not in any way deep enough to have received an impact, especially not the size they are. How come the craters are in the shape of octagonal or stop signs? Imagine a flood on the moon where massive boulders or mountains would move along the surface in these massive floods. There are rocks that do move along the surface in the Nevada desert, which are very interesting, one that I've studied for many years, and you just, can't help but ponder on the thought. Let's get in nice and close. We're to around Theophilus crater that you see on the left there and all the objects around it. Thanks for watching, everyone. François Bedard, merci. Thanks, bro. So much for the help, guys. John Merkel and Mr. Steve Towers. Guys, I love you. Thanks for the generous contributions. And thanks for the kind messages. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms.
This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
For anything and everything, for whatever the reason you want to send me something, P.O. Box 341 in Valleyfield, Quebec. The postal code is J6S4V6. My name is Bruce Warts.